Way to go! Akire Onileba in a knee-jerking beginning, followed by Dash in the winning second, Win the Win Aras Doctor Choice running by the row, and Mrs. G. Dubai's Angel is running at the tail of the field. Akire Onileba from the outside, Dash in the Win running by the row, Win the Win Doctor Choice racing fourth by about 3 lengths, and Aras is racing in fifth, and rounding the fourth turn, Akire Onileba by a length and up, Dash in the winning second, Win the Win remains in third, Doctor Choice running in fourth, Aras racing on the outside as they race the last 450. Akire Onileba, this time by about 3 lengths, Dash in the Win running by the Win the Win, Aras Doctor Choice at the center, last 200 meters more to run, Akire Onileba by about 3 lengths, Aras in second, and nearing the finish line, number 5, Akire Onileba, Aras, Win the Win, Doctor Choice, Dash in the Win, Mrs. G. Dubai's Angel, completing the cast.